Hey, it's been a long time since we've been together, huh, pal? So what better place than Vegas to meet up, you know what I'm saying? Of course, we have protective measures to keep you safe, and you can take that to the bank. But remember, in this case, what happens in Vegas doesn't have to stay in Vegas, because we actually have 3 new coating technology product launches. Jackpot, baby! Yeah, we've been busy even during that nasty 5-letter word. And trust me, that ain't booze. Ha! So whether it's to showcase our newest case printer, Thermal Inkjet, or our new verification system we call the R-Series, you know your coding with confidence, Chief. And don't forget, at Domino, we go beyond the code. We make it our business to know yours, continually developing tools and support to make your life easier, because we're all in. Vegas, baby, we'll be there. Booth C3825. Unlike Vegas, where excess is the norm, at Domino, you can do more with less. Less is more. Domino, so do more. Sounds like a song. Bandleader, hit it!